I'm Nia and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox BTS's new language learning book. It's called Learning Korean with BTS and apparently it's super cute and I'm really excited to unbox this one. And it's great for a language lover and fangirl like myself. So let's go ahead and open it. So here we got the box. Learn Korean with BTS, and this is the Tiny Tan characters. Let's see. What it looks like. Let's open it up. So the box comes with 4 books. This is the first one. And also this pen. It comes with a charger. And this is actually a speaking pen. That's what it sounds like. Oh my gosh! It's their voices! Oh my goodness! Okay, I'm freaking out. I'm gonna calm down a bit. Let's try it out. So the way this pen works is, well, let's try it out.
네, 안녕하세요. 방탄소년단 진입니다.
Ah, RM?
안녕하세요. 방탄소년단 RM입니다. 네, 안녕하세요. 방탄소년단 슈가입니다. 안녕하세요. 방탄소년단 제이홉입니다. 네, 안녕하세요. 방탄소년단 지민입니다. 네, 안녕하세요. 방탄소년단의 뷰입니다. 안녕하세요. 방탄소년단 정국입니다.
Oh, this is so exciting. So here, there's actually different languages here. You can change the language of the pen. So you can listen to in Korean, English, Japanese, and Spanish. Here it says how you use it. Just gonna try it somewhere. Not actually. Bora.
벤, 교재 배경인물. 여러분의 한국어 학습을 도와줄 아미 친구들입니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 이자벨이에요.
안녕하세요. 저는 에릭이에요.
안녕하세요. 저는 소피아예요. 한글 배우기.
So this is for pronunciation and letters.
아, 어, 우, 이,
Okay.
새,
Oh, here it works.
새, 표, 뒤,
Let's just try it.
어, 에,
Let's just flip through it and see.
치즈, 싸요,
So meat is kogi, and then we have piano,
피아노,
사조,
사요.
카메라,
카메라.
스테이크,
스테이크.
책,
책. 박.
산,
산.
문,
문.
물,
물.
it's water. 팔 for
달.
feet, 딸기 for strawberry,
딸기.
and so on and so forth. Ooh, then we got this one. It says create your own BTS sweatshirt. Write the name of your favorite member and your name in Hangul on the sweatshirt. So this is really fun. It's so obvious that it's made for fans and so nice.
Me gustas tú.
What?
Yo te apoyo.
What?
Yo te apoyo. Me gustas tú.
What? Seriously?
Nihongo.
So if I wanna okay, so that was Spanish, and if I want to change language, I do this.
I love you. I root for you.
Okay, that's the same. If I want to hear it in Korean, I can do this.
사랑합니다. 응원합니다.
And if I want to hear it in Japanese, I do this.
好きです. 応援してます.
So actually, I can study Japanese and Korean at the same time with this. So that's just super nice. Let's just stay on Korean for now. Then we got the chapters here. So this is vocabulary you have for the different countries, what they're called in Korean.
미국, 브라질, 한국, 일본, 호주, 태국, 사우디아라비아.
And so on and so forth. So this is for different expressions. You can use it here as well, I think.
Hey Army, lost this? 아래 대화를 듣고 따라 읽어보세요.
So this is listen and repeat.
안녕하세요. 아미예요? 네, 저는 아미예요. 반가워요. 저는 보라예요. 저도 반가워요. 저는 니콜이에요. 한국 사람이에요? 아니요. 한국 사람이 아니에요.
And their characters are scattered throughout the book, so that's super nice. And then we got the exercises here.
한국인의 인사법.
This is the culture pages, and this is for Korean greetings. You can learn more about the culture and not just language in itself. And here we got a blue little thing. What is this? Second chapter.
방탄소년단 교통카드 주세요.
More vocabulary.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
죄송합니다.
죄송합니다. This is also culture, convenience stores in Korea, and it's a picture of Jin here. And this is their Tiny Ton characters. It's so cute. Oh, there's another blue little one there.
좋아, 나는 아미를 사랑해.
Here's another one of these.
하나, 둘, 셋. 아미 사랑해요.
public transportation.
Remember. Remember? Remember. We love you. We love you.
So that's very encouraging that they have a bunch of messages in here. That's really cute. Oh, I want to see. Another one. Yay!
I love you, Army.
Oh, okay, so it's a bunch of motivational messages in this throughout the books. This is a QR code. Listen and fill in the blank after watching the video with the QR code. So there's also videos in this you can watch. Okay, so that sounded like it was from a Run BTS episode. It probably is. Okay, let's move on to the second book. It is this one. It says, about the textbook, Learn Korean with BTS has been developed to help beginner Korean language learners improve their communication skills and broaden their understanding of Korean culture based on BTS content. Textbook composition. The textbook consists of 4 volumes and 24 units in total. The background of each unit is a location where Army can visit in Korea. Each unit offers 2 Korean expressions to learn, which means learners can study a total of 48 expressions from the 24 units of the textbook. Difficult grammar terms are replaced with color chips so that the learners can intuitively understand each grammar term. Vocabulary words are chosen among those related to the topic of each unit and beginner-level communication activities based on their frequency of use and level of difficulty. At the end of each unit, various aspects of Korean culture are introduced and their topics are chosen in relation to the subject of each unit. Learners can listen to all text in the textbook in 4 languages by using the speaking pen, one of the key learner-centered features of the textbook. This is chapter 7 and this is the second book.
RM, 진, 슈가, 제이호, 지민, 비, 정국. 멤버들에게 하트가 몇 개 있어요? 4개, 5개, 6개, 9개.
So this is for counting. And one of these. Korean ages. Okay, so you can also hear sound from the pictures. So this is scenes from Run BTS. So you can hear some clips from it by putting the pen towards it. Alright, let's go on to the next one. Book number 3. So they actually have a lot about culture and stuff. Let's see. Expressions, more dialogues. Okay, let's go to the 4th book. That's from Idol.
좋아하는 아미를 사랑해.
This chapter is about Korean traditional holidays.
한국의 명절.
That was the fourth book, but it doesn't end yet. The box also contained this one. It's the study note, Learn Korean with BTS. Let's see. So here's a checklist with all the tasks, and that's really great to keep organized. I love keeping lists. So you got the date here, and this is for each of the chapters. And you got a little message from the members on each page. So let's listen to it. Here we got RM. Here we got Jin.
와, 잘했다.
Suga.
저도 사랑합니다.
Yehope. And Jimin.
오라해.
오라해. V.
잘한다.
And Jungkook.
기대하겠습니다. 아미 여기야 여기.
And they say different things.
자신감.
Huh.
가나다라 가봐서. 어우 귀여워. 너무 사랑스러워. 잘했어요.
Good job.
따라해봐요. 너무 이쁘다 진짜.
Baksu. And here are just blank pages where you can write down like whatever. And last but not least, we have these keyboard stickers with the Korean letters on them. And there are two versions of this. We got purple ones and black ones. Whatever we prefer, so that's awesome. I think I'm gonna stick these on my laptop and not on my stationary computer because they're pretty small. But that is awesome! Yay! To shut the pen off, you just press and hold this button. And that concludes my Learn Korean with BTS unboxing video. So leave a like if you enjoyed it. You can comment down below if you have any suggestions or feedback for me. I would love to read it. You can also subscribe and hit the bell. That would help me out a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!